Let's go see the ducks and the turtles.
Go down. No.
We're going to see the ducks and the turtles. Come on.
I do, but I'm not.
What?
Because to me,
Let's go see the turtles and the ducks. Come on. Yay. Oh yeah, we gotta. What park is? What park walk is complete without our Barbie purse? That's right. We need that in case we need to make a phone call to Grandma. Wait, where'd the ducks go? Come on, let's go get the duckies. The duckies. This way, Charlotte. This way, the duckies and the turtles are this way. This way. This way. This way, this way, this way. Are you going to take a little rest on the rock? Say, I'm queen of the rock. That's right. Look at that. Say hi, Grandma. Ta-da!